I'm not like that girl. I'm not like that person. And second answer of your question, you ask me that, who am I, right? So you do not know who am I. I am with the people of India. You know, na? Go through preamble. You will find who am I. So, as being an Indian citizen, I am having a full right to express my feelings and thoughts. If you do not know, so please go through Article 19 of Part 4 of our Indian Constitution.
Oh, my dear Hoba, what you have said, what expression you have shared, I'm really glad to see your expressions. Don't worry, I'm there to share all your solution. I will solve all your solution. And you say that you have rights to set aggressive to PK madam. Okay, I agree that. I agree you have rights to send aggressive to PK madam. In which case you say that you're one of Indian citizenship Triprasa Dofa, so you can send any aggressive to PK madam. Okay, let me tell you one thing there. Do you know what is the meaning of aggressive first of all? I don't think so. Because by seeing your structure, your face, you're not like that type girl. So today I remind you, as being a girl, being a Tibrasa Dofa, mind your language before you come before the social media. And one more thing, let me tell you. In your last message, I have said that whoever stand, whoever support their Tibrasa, you will support them. Last year, 2020, 21 November, a fireman Biswajit was murdered while returning back from his duty on Panisagar Highway by Mizo Convention and Nagari Charicha months. While he was murdered, none of Tiprasa leaders raised their voice for his justice, except TPF. Till today, TPF didn't stop their voice rising for his justice, for Biswajit justice. Ofru nung bora? Nung soy dofa ni hamjaknai buruyung ke nung ofru bora. Tamo nung chini loge nini voice rise kai paya. Where are you? That time? Huh? Hiding inside the house. Tabuke. Rangni lama paika. Huh? As a TPS supporter, jokon ang saka naila. How your reaction was appear in front of the social media. Shameless on you. I really feel shameless when to say you are one of Tiprasa Burui. Being a girl, respect yourself. Kok tongo, bukai bui by kok sanani. Nung soy Tiprasa no hamzake. Many girls Chunghai Burui, Rep Kai Zagoi Buta Zago, and Lehari Chung Jotono Bonoke Sinika. Bo Big Bazara Tangfru, Bono Sikok Silui, Bono Bokai Buta Zaka. Should I say or Jotono Nuka Sika? That time where are you? Why don't you raise your voice for your Tipri Dofa? Where are you that time? You say that you're always standing for your Tiprasa people. That time, where are you? So, I will remind you again, more one thing. Don't challenge with us. Especially with me, don't challenge. Nung kaisa, common people. You are one common people. Ang kaisa, dofani, burui. Nung hai, ang samungkai mahai, nung kai manlak. Nung ang hai coba onghorma hai nung onghorma lak. Nini kunu proof kurui. But I can show you all the proof. Biswajit justice san majagaw bo ang coba onghojak. Seng thuma part 1 till part 2. I was there. But you, where are you that time? If you are there, show me the proof. And you have said that this is the video footage of aggressive TPF, and you have shown that TPF people are catching some stick with their flag. This is what you have shown example, no? Okay, I'll give you that answer. That time, Tripura state government has sent his force. Bini police rock protection ni bagoi boro ho. Bongni yago tamatong gan tongo gan silai tongo. Teke sa yago kheta matong latha tongo. Bong o latha bai gan buino akai no kok nani bagoi bobo rohya. Je kunu bongni enemy attack bong khlai phaike bongni self defense ni bagoi se obo bongno tuirio obo kaham ke saimanoi laruk de. Same thing chung TPF bo chini enemy chung no attack khai phaike chung chini self defense ni bagoi chung omotui chung ma use khlaio or nung kunu bujia we without knowing anything. You don't need to interfere in others' life. You understand, I hope. So, being a girl, before you come out in front of the social media, think not twice, not thrice, think again and come in front of the social media. Nung kaisa brui, respect yourself. Huh? Have respect by yourself. Brui rokni character. No need to stand. No need even a single minute. By a second, I can just